this computer. All right, share my screen. All right. All right. This is our project. We made the art folio. It's me, Miguel, and my partner.
Kim.
Yep. Okay, go ahead.
So Artfolio is a mobile app designed to empower artists by providing a platform to showcase their creative work, connect with potential clients, and receive valuable feedbacks. Whether you're a painter, photographer, sculptor, or any other type of artist, Artfolio is your digital canvas to exhibit your talent.
Okay. And the key features. Go ahead, Kim.
So the key features are registration and login. Seamless registration process for both artists and customers, and it secures login functionality to access personalized accounts using Firebase authentication. And profile customization. Personalized profiles for artists to showcase their portfolios and customizable settings to manage and update profile information. Messaging with customers, built-in messaging system facilitating direct communication between artists and potential clients. Real-time chat functionality to discuss commissions, pricing, and project details. Feedback and rating. Integrated feedback system allowing customers to provide ratings and reviews for artists' work. A transparent grading system to showcase artists' reputations and credibility. Subject-based pages. Organized pages categorized by subjects such as painting, photography, sculpture, etc. Dedicated sections for each art form, providing users with a curated browsing experience. Advanced filtering options, robust searching functionality enabling users to search by title, artist name, or keywords. Filter options to refine search research based on ratings.
All right, and then here's the layout. I'll explain this one. So we have our home screen, which is where you'll end up when you first boot up the app. You have a login screen, and then you have a sign up button. With the sign up button, you can register a new page, a new user, and then that will get sent to the Firestore database. And then once you register with an email and a password, that'll be safe. So next time you can safely log in with that same email and password. And if you don't have a registered email and password, you can't access the app. Secondly, you'll go to the portfolio entry screen, which is actually you'll boot into your profile first, and it'll ask you to fill out the information before you can access the rest of the tabs. A couple of things I want to mention is we did have to cut back on like just a few of the features here, because they were either too big to implement or we just didn't have enough time. The part where the artworks are displayed on the profile pages, they're only displayed on the tab pages. They're also only the artist name is viewable when you see the images themselves. The images are clickable and they are expandable. We did have to cut back on the rating system, the title and the description of the art, due to not enough time. But that and the filtering option too, the search option. So you can look at all the uploaded images, which is the main function intended, which was the main reason why we wanted to do this. So that is that. Okay. Yeah, you can explain this one.
So the layouts are like home screens to log into your personalized Artfolio account or register as a new user. The register screen is the process to create a new account. Portfolio display screen is for viewing artist portfolios, including paintings, photographs, sculptures, and more. A subject-based gallery screen is for exploring different art forms such as painting, photography, and sculpture. Each section is curated to provide a focused browsing experience. The profile customization screen is for artists to update their profiles, manage displayed information, and customize their portfolio presentations. And messaging screen is for artists and customers to communicate directly regarding commissions, feedback, or general inquiries. A feedback and rating screen allows customers to leave feedback and rate artists in the form of a star rating system.
All right. And then this is the functionality. This is pretty much explaining what we've had before, so we can skip that. The user experience also the same. These are the iterative design also. You can explain this one.
So the user testing recruits artists and potential customers to test the app in various scenarios, identifying any usability challenges or bugs. And feedback surveys, uh, after initial testing phases, collect feedback to gauge user satisfaction and areas needing enhancement. In iterative updates, utilize gathered data and feedback to continuously refine and improve the application. We can focus on improving features critical for user engagement and platform functionality.
Right.
And the main Dart file serves two major functionalities. The first one is initializing Firebase. You can see that in this code. And the second one is to define the routes for the app to take. So you can go on.
Okay, yeah. So this is the login page at Dart. The login page is basically what I showed you on the UML diagram, or sorry, on the layout, where you have an email and a password. They have to put in a text box. And then if you already have a registered account, you can simply log in and it will navigate you to the profile page. But if you don't, then you can go ahead and click the register button. You can register a new account with an email and a password. And then once that's done, it'll navigate you back to the login screen. And then from there, you can put your newly typed email and password, and it will give you access to the app. And then this is the code that I use. These are the dependencies. And so authorized service, this is just the file that deals with the Firebase, what is it called? Authenticate, I think it's called. Where it's just waiting for their little plugin that deals with email and passwords. There was another one with phone numbers too, but I feel like the simplest way of doing it was with email and password, so this is how we did it. This is the registration page at Dart, which just sets up the rules for registering a new user. You can't have an empty text box. If you try to click submit with an empty text box, nothing will happen. And if you have a valid email and a valid password, then it'll just pass it on to the database and save it there. Okay, and then it's also credited with this function is used in the registration page that Dart. And then here's the main part, the profile page at Dart. So the profile page at Dart page is where the bulk of our project is. It allows the user to upload images, view images from other users, and click on the images to zoom in on them. So for example, this is just what builds the UI for the page. It uses many default tab controllers to build the tabs at the top that you see on the screen over here. I don't know if you can see it, but okay. And then we have the pick and upload image method, which combines image picking and uploading functionality. It allows the user to select an image from their gallery and directly upload it to the Firebase. And then here's the code for that. And I'll do a demo at the end so you can see all these methods in place. Here's the add image to Firestore, which basically just adds a new document to the Firestore images collection, which is in our Firebase database or storage, Firebase storage part of Firebase, with details about the upload images, including your URL, category, and artist name. And then this is the code for that. We have the save profile info, which saves or updates the user's profile information in Firestore based on the input from the profile tab. This is the code for that. Again, I will show you in the demo. This is the code for that. There's a build profile tab method, which builds the UI for the profile information tab, fetches profile data from Firestore, and displays it. It also allows users to update their profile information and upload a profile image. This is the code for that. We have the fetch profile data, which basically just fetches the instance of the current user and what they have in their profile, and displays it also. You have the pick image, which allows the user to pick an image from the device's gallery and sets it as the profile image. This was a different method to the other one that was used to upload images to the tabs, because for it to be a profile image, it had to be stored in a different collection for some reason. So that's how we did this one. Then this is the save profile info again. I think I accidentally might have put in this twice, yeah. But that's about our method. So now we will do a quick little demonstration. So this is my account. We'll just say my account. It'll load into my account. It'll load into my profile. This is my artist name. This is my occupation. This is the additional info I put on. This is my profile, my avatar. And then this is the main part. So you have your images that you upload, and then you can click on them and they'll expand. Really interesting stuff. For example, if you want to add something, you have to pick something, but since I'm using a emulator, I can't exactly do that. So, but if it was there, then it would show you that it works. Let me see if I can pick from Windows. Nope, that did nothing. Okay, well, you'll just have to try it out yourself and make sure that it works. Also, when you get to the profile page, as soon as you log in with a new profile, it won't let you access any of these tabs. You'll have to fill in the artist name, you'll have to fill out the occupation, you'll have to fill out additional info, and you'll have to upload a profile picture for you to be able to access these tabs and upload images. And that is about it for our project. We'll stop sharing, or actually we'll stop recording.